NEET 2025 application process has started on February 7. The application window will be open for a month. Hence, you must act fast and complete the application process on time. This video of Shiksha brings to you the step-by-step procedure on how to fill the application form of NEET 2025. The first step is to visit the official website of the exam www.neet.nta.nic.in. Click on the New Candidate Register Here tab. Download the information bulletin and read the instructions carefully. Click on the checkbox and proceed towards registration. Enter the basic details like your name, parents' name, date of birth, gender, nationality, etc. Create the password and select a security question and add the answer. After verifying the details entered and clicking on the agreement checkbox, you will receive an OTP on your registered mobile number. Once verified, your registration process will be completed. You will receive your NEET 2025 application number at your email address. Next, you have to log in with your NEET 2025 application number and password and complete the application process. The first step is the personal details where you have to enter rest of your details such as gender, nationality, category. If you are the only child of your parents, which is applicable for female candidates only, if you belong to the PWD category and need a scribe, if you are a diabetic, annual family income, mode of NEET preparation, and country of residence. Here you have to also answer if you intend to wear a customary attire on the exam day. Next, you have to choose the identity type among Aadhaar number, DigiLocker account, Academic Bank of Credits or ABC ID, PAN card, and passport, and enter the identity card number. In the next page, you have to enter whether you have an APAR ID or not. In case you select yes, you have to enter your APAR ID and the educational details will be auto-populated in the form. And if you select no, you will have to manually enter your class 10 and class 12 academic details. In the next stage, you have to select the question paper medium and 3 exam cities. Here you will also have to enter your parents' occupation and educational qualifications. After that, you have to enter your class 10 and 12 academic details. Under the additional details, you have to enter if you have a twin sibling who also intends to appear for NEET 2025, if you have appeared for NEET earlier, and details of your place of birth. After that, you have to enter your contact details of your parents or guardian as an emergency mode of contact. You have to enter the OTP sent on your mobile number and email ID for verification and click on Verify and Next tab. The second last stage is of document upload, wherein you have to upload your passport and postcard size photograph, signature, thumb impression, class 10 mark sheet, pass certificate, identity proof, address proof, and other applicable documents. Verify all the details carefully and click on the I agree checkbox. After that, you will receive an OTP on your registered email address. The last and final step is to pay the application fee. The amount and modes of payment will be displayed on screen. You have to check the details and pay the requisite amount through credit card, debit card, net banking, or UPI modes. Once the fee is paid, you will receive the application confirmation on your registered email and mobile number. You are advised to take a printout of the NEET application confirmation page and preserve it till the admission process. This was all about the NEET 2025 application process. Feel free to reach out to us for queries in the comment section below. All the best.